Please find the equation of tangent and normal. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve x is equal to a sine cube t and y is equal to b cos cube t at t. At point T, we want the equation of tangent and normal. Question is, find the equation of tangent and normal to this. What is contact point? Can you tell this time? What is contact point here?
Sir, A sine cube t and B cos
Yes.
t.
This t will remain t. So a sine cube t is your x1 and y1 is also b cos cube t. And we want slope to be calculated easily. We can do it now. Dx by dt come out to be a into 3 sine squared t cos t. And then we go for dy by dt, it will come b 3 cos squared t into minus sine t. Then we go for dy by dx, that will come out to be dy by dt into dt by x. dy by dt आपका आ गया minus 3b cos square t sin t whole divided by thrice of a sin square t cos. 3 can cancel out. How much left? One cos gone, one sin gone. So left is minus b cos t by a sin. And now when they say equation of tangent, equation come out to be y minus y1. Y1 will be b cos cube t equal to minus b by a cos t by sin t x minus a sin. And normal now you can calculate. In normal you just take reciprocal of it with plus sign, you will get your answer. This was also NCERT problem and we got in board exam twice. Another question which I am taking, another NCERT problem, and in board we got this question twice. Question is, show that the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 touches the curve y is equal to b e power minus x by a where it crosses y-axis. Question is, I'll repeat it. This is the line of tangent to the curve this at the point where this curve cut y-axis. This curve is going to cut somewhere on y-axis. At that point, if you take tangent, that should be this. I just repeat it. This is the curve we have. This curve intersect y-axis at some place. Whatever the point where it will cut the y-axis, at that point, if we draw the tangent, that must be this. So if I take y-axis, this will be y-axis, this is x-axis. This is the point where you want the tangent, और ये tangent जो आपके पास आएगी वो आपकी ये होनी चाहिए, आपको prove करना. First thing is clear that it will cut y-axis at some place. Y-axis पे अगर कट कर रहा है इसका मतलब यहाँ पर कोऑर्डिनेट आपके 0,y1 होंगे. As this point is on y-axis, because it is going to cut on y-axis, that means this coordinate will be 0,y1. And if it is 0,y1 means this point will satisfy here on the curve. When you do this, what it will come? y1 equal to b e power ये minus 0 हो जाएगा. Then I got it, y1 comes out to be b. That means now the contact point is 0, b. We got the contact point as 0, b. As you got this point, now we want the tangent on this. So how to get the tangent? We find dy by dx first. B is a constant, remain as it is. E power minus x by a, derivative come out to be minus e power minus x by a. Into minus 1 by a. Then I write down dy by dx will be b by a into e power minus x by a. And now we want the slope of tangent. Point is 0, b. So if it is 0, b, what it will come? B by a into e power 0. It is coming b by a. Now we go on equation. Y minus y1 equal to b by a x minus x. And now when you solve it, it will come a by minus ab comes out to be bx. Something wrong we are doing. Minus is the difference here. Is it minus b by a or it's b by a? Slope को check करना भाई. माइनस बोला है एक हमने. डेरिवेटिव चेक करना जरा. एक माइनस था यहाँ पे क्योंकि e पावर माइनस एक्स बाई के साथ डेरिवेटिव में माइनस आया था. हाँ भाई आया है क्या? यस. चेक करो भाई. यहाँ एक माइनस आना चाहिए था. जो आपने डेरिवेटिव किया था dy by dx तो ये आया था b e पावर माइनस x बाई a और फिर माइनस x बाई a का ये माइनस और यहाँ 1 बाई a आया. और जब 0, b रखा तो ये हो गया माइनस b बाई a e पावर 0 तो इट इज माइनस b बाई a. तो यहाँ माइनस आना चाहिए. एंड इफ इट इज कमिंग माइनस तो यहाँ माइनस. एंड नाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इट. a by plus bx comes out to be ab. The equation is now bx plus ay come out to be ab. Divide the complete equation by ab. Now when you solve it, it will come x by a plus y by b coming as 1. यही हमें शो करें. Yes, is there any doubt? Yes, any problem? Shreya? Shreyansh? बोलो भाई, आप लोग बोलो तो सही। ईशा, यस, श्रेया, खुशी, yes. Now next question, please. This is another good question we have. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent to the curve 3x square minus y square equal to 8, which passes through point 4 by 3 comma 0. Find the equation of tangent to this curve which passes through point 4 by 3 comma 0. Please do this question fast. I want you should complete this question. Find the equation of tangent to this curve which passed through this. Yes, what is slope here? What is the slope? Kushi? What should be the slope here? Isha? Yes, Shreya? Shreya want to say something? Yes. One thing should be clear in this question. It never say that you find out the equation of tangent at this point. It says that tangent passes through this point. 4 by 3 comma 0 is the point from where tangent passes. So this contact point is not with us. So this is entirely different question. Till now we got the question, find out the equation of tangent. Yes. Question says find out the equation of tangent to this curve which pass through this point 4/3, 0. Not the contact point. At 4/3, 0, they are not saying. They are saying it is going to pass through this point. So now we will take this point as x1, y1 first. This time the contact point is not with us, so let this point be x1, y1 and this tangent which is going to pass through 4/3, 0. So how to start first? First find out equation of tangent at x1, y1 and x1, y1. We should calculate. How we do it? Just check. First derivative 6x minus 2y dy by dx coming 0. Or I should say 2y dy by dx comes out to be 6x. So dy by dx comes out to be 3x by y. So dy by dx at x1, y1 come out to be 3x1 by y1. Yes, is it okay till here?